What's up, guys? In this video, we're just doing some more pooting on people. Don't forget to subscribe.
Mexican food.
And like this video. Shh. He's got a little gas. Shh. That was him, wasn't me.
Someone's going to make a lot of noise and drive you crazy with that. You know that.
Well, it wasn't me, that's for sure. Okay, that one was me. Thins, that's disgusting. Stinky stuff, bro. No, nope. Wasn't me. It was that guy.
Do you want a 6-pack of pepper? Get you one. I know what you already have.
This was my girlfriend's favorite movie.
Yeah.
Yeah. But we broke up. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh hell. I'll go find out which one.
You gotta test it for you buy it. Whew. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? I'm sorry. I thought it was going to be silent.
Gotta do what you gotta do.
This can't wait. I'm holding that in from the back of the store. Mayonnaise, am I right?
Yep.
Fruit cocktail, am I right?
Linda from
Nice. There you go. You won't sneak in there because it's cold. Proven facts.
Okay. Cut it like that.
Are these for dogs?
For dogs?
Oh yeah, dogs.
Yeah, it is.
I hate dogs.
Oh, wow.